It's that time of the month again where I bleach and dye my hair. This time I'm going to be using strawberry milk from Ion. I have my house sitting right now, so I don't have my tripod and I don't have my clothes I normally wear when I dye my hair, so we'll see how this goes. I did go to Sally Beauty today. I picked up my bleach, my dye, my gloves. And what I'm actually going to do is just dye the roots with this. I want it to kind of look like my roots are a light peachy color, a light pink color, you know, and the rest of it is going to stay the same bleach blonde. There are also dogs here, so if you hear any scampering around, that's what that is. So let's get started. Something else I don't have is the scale I usually use when I mix everything together. I usually measure out the developer, but this time I pretty much just eyeballed it, and I'm hoping for the best. I feel like I've been doing this enough. I remember how it looks, what consistency it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna bleach my roots first. This towel is not going to stay. I'm just gonna take it off. You can't see me anyway. I'm in my bra. Oh well. This should be considered a challenge, doing your hair in someone else's house. I went on the hunt for a handheld mirror. I found none. The woman who lives here is a little bit older. She's in her 60s, 70s, I think. I doubt she does makeup, hair, all the stuff I'm into. All I could find was my own compact. Very teeny tiny. It is hard to do the back of your hair. I don't know how other people do this. I'm bad at it. See in the back of my hair. I always manage, and I always seem to get it covered, but it's a struggle. It's gonna be even more of a struggle now. Don't I look cute? It would have definitely been easier to wait until I got home to do this, but I won't be home for another week, and I did not want to wait. I feel like I waited a little bit too long to do this in the first place. When I was younger and I dyed my hair, I didn't care if I had roots showing. It didn't matter to me. But I'm older and I like it to look nice. Plus I have more money these days and I can keep up with the upkeep. So I don't generally like it to grow out more than an inch. I normally do it every 4 to 6 weeks on my own. Which I think if you go to the salon, that's what they recommend too. That's just my personal preference. This is such a light blonde color that it would look funny with dark brown roots, you know what I mean? So, I do not want to wait. Even if it's more of a struggle to do it here, I would rather just do it now and wait another week. Because it was getting on my nerves. It always works out in the end, right? Always works out somehow, some way. Just a little life lesson thrown in there. Now that I have it all, I'm pretty much used literally all of it. So one packet, as always, will cover your roots. If you're trying to bleach your entire head, you're gonna need more than one packet. They do make tubs that are more money, but that's probably might be what you want to get. I should probably get one since I do this so often. Got some bleach in my eyebrow, oopsie. So I'm gonna wait 45 minutes, 40 minutes-ish, and I'll rinse this out. I'm gonna let it air dry. Tomorrow I'll probably do this. For you, it'll be 2 seconds. I always start doing this later at night, and then I get tired and I don't want to finish it, and I don't like blow drying my hair, and I don't even know where to find a blow dryer here, so I'm just gonna let it air dry and do the rest tomorrow. Okay, I'm back. It's the next night, and now we're gonna try this strawberry milk ion permanent hair color intensive shine. The directions are on the inside of the box. You have to rip it open. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so this is 2 ounces, 2.05 ounces. Excuse me. This is 2.05 ounces, so you have to do 2.05 ounces of the developer. Once again, I don't have my scale, so I'm just gonna have to eyeball it and hope for the best. It does say that this, let me read it, can be used all over or on highlighted hair to help remove unwanted brassy or warm tones in the hair. So let's do that. Pro tip. Usually after you bleach, you will get some brassiness. Using purple shampoo and conditioner will help, but it might not do everything. So it's important to tone your hair after you bleach. But since I'm using this, this is apparently good for toning. That's what it looks like without the developer. Let's add some developer. Mix, mix, mix. It doesn't smell too bad at all, so that's a plus. I think I might need to add a little bit more. It looks a little bit too thick. This bottle, it's 16 fluid ounces. It lasts a very long time. Multiple bleachings, multiple hair dyeing. Okay, we'll see if this works. Might still be too thick. I can always add more. Let's put this down in the middle. Gloves. I found some gloves in this lady's garage. A woman whose house I'm at right now. She just has gloves. I don't know why, but beats using the pair I used. Can I help? Beats using the pair I used last night. Reusing gloves is no fun. Okay, like I said, I'm trying to make this kind of look like roots. If this doesn't look good, I'll just do my entire head. But so I do have a little bit of the chi that I did last time with the rest of my hair. So I might try to incorporate that too, kind of mix it together. Like a gradient or something. So well, I guess we'll see how it looks. This might look super dumb, but I've seen people with like red roots and like black hair, and it looks pretty cool on them. Okay, I got one side of my head done. You can see it's turning really pink. I have a feeling it's going to be a lot lighter than that because it normally is. This has also turned a really light shade of pink. I don't know if you can tell with this lighting in the bathroom. It's definitely a strawberry milky color. So let's mosey on over to the other side. I'm going to try to get it even so it doesn't look too funny. Okay, so I have some left over. I never know how that's gonna go because sometimes one bottle only does my roots, sometimes one bottle would do more. I don't think this entire thing would have done my entire hair though. With that said, I was thinking I couldn't blend in the rest of this with this and then dilute it more with the developer, then have even a lighter shade of pink going down slightly more, and then whatever colors at the bottom of my hair, which is just this from a month ago. So let's experiment. I hope there are no hairdressers watching this. I probably shouldn't even use this because it's old, but I have to see. If you're a hairdresser, look away now. A little bit of this. And we've got this concoction. Who knows what's gonna happen? Hopefully it's good. Okay. I did not use all of it, but I don't really think I have to. I'm just gonna rinse this down the drain. Kind of ran my fingers through all of it from root to tip to kind of like get it to be more seamless, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. This is just an experiment. Who the heck knows what it's about to look like? That's the fun of it. It's just hair, right? Can always just shave it off. I've always wanted to do that, so that's always an option. We're gonna leave it on my head for 30 minutes, and I'm gonna go wash it out, and we'll see what kind of look I've done to myself. It's the next day, and it's all done. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it is the lightest kind of strawberry pink color right on top. And I think it was a good idea to blend them downwards because it really does just look like it's the root that is a pinky color. Oh, yeah, you can see it better right there. I think it looks cute and it's super subtle. If you were gonna do your, oh sorry, the camera's shaky. It's not on a tripod, I'm just holding it. If you were going to do your entire head with this pink color, I think it would look super cute and subtle. So if you were looking for a shade that it's not too bold, maybe you're just trying to experiment, I think this would be a nice shade to do that with. Maybe I'll do my entire head with it next time around. I'm gonna go outside and show you in the sunlight, so hopefully you can see it a little bit better.